Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Vscode, the chosen LLM extension, and an API key stored securely. Once done, open your project folder and create a prompts, MD or snippets, JSON to capture initial prompts. You should add the API key to Vscode's secret storage or set an environment variable so the extension can authenticate. Make sure to enable the extension and grant workspace access. This prevents permission prompts later. Now you're ready to run the first prompt from the editor. You now integrate the LLM into your workflow by configuring model and behavior, temperature, max tokens, and context window to match your tasks. Once configured, map keyboard shortcuts for sending selections and running code actions to speed iteration. Make sure to create file type prompt templates so the model understands language context, and enable workspace or file-level context to include relevant files. Use inline prompts for quick edits and code actions for refactors. This reduces back and forth and leverages the model's context efficiently. You finish by running prompts on small, controlled snippets and validating outputs with linters and unit tests before committing changes. Once tests pass, scale up to larger files, but make sure to review suggested edits line by line. This prevents subtle bugs. If things go wrong, check the extension logs and API usage to confirm you haven't hit rate or billing limits, verify your API key permissions, and update the extension. Often a permissions or version mismatch is the cause. Keep iterations tight and review always.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.